XRP Army. This brand new piece of information, it just dropped, like 3 years back. The SEC's approval of 3 spot XRP ETF filings, well, that could potentially, really spark a surge, maybe even all the way up to about $6. Whoa there, XRP Army. There you have it, folks. This is precisely the kind of exciting news that you've all been talking about and anticipating for what feels like years now. Actually, ever since way back in 2021. Listen, an ETF based on XRP? Just imagine that. It would mean thousands. It would bring in millions, literally millions of dollars flowing directly into XRP. Because, you see, right now with Bitcoin, we're observing roughly $500 million per day, or sometimes even a full $1 billion flowing into its ETF on a weekly basis. So the potential for an XRP ETF, that's a genuinely, fucking awesome prospect. Alrighty, so let's dive into the actual news report over on Cointelegraph, and after we've dissected that, we'll definitely head over to take a good hard look at the chart itself. So the SEC, as we're seeing, is apparently launching itself into some sort of frenzied spree of approving XRP ETFs. XRP, it's quite a remarkable coin, people, really. Back in the old days, the primary reason it wasn't as popular with traders was simply that it wasn't volatile enough for them. It was perfectly fine for the holders, though. Why, you ask? Well, you simply can't lose your investment when something barely moves up and down. It just kind of sits there without significant drops or rises. You can't really lose money with that kind of stability. And then you have your XRP holders, some of whom, I bought my PS5, and at the same time, I bought some XRP. I remember getting it for around 35 cents. And then you just hold on to it and you wait. And eventually, you sell it. Now, that's